Hey guys, so as you may know, Facebook released new feature on Messenger that is called Vanish mode, and in this video I will show you how you can use it and how you can turn it on. And it's really easy. So the first step what you need to do here is to go on App Store if you're using iPhone, and if you're using Android, you need to go on Google Play Store and update Messenger to a latest version. All right, and after you do that, go back on your chat with the people that you want to enable Vanish mode. And if you're using iPhone, you need to click on person name to proceed to a new step. And if you're using Android, basically next to a call button will be another little button that you need to click, and then you will find Vanish mode. So I'm using iPhone, so I need to click on the person name, and then I need to scroll down until you see Vanish mode, and for me it's to off, so press on that and toggle on the Vanish mode, right? And if we go back on the chat, basically now I can write a message, and when person sees the message, basically the messages will disappear. So you can do that with chats, with videos, with photos, and when the other person sees the message, the messages will disappear forever, right? So it's cool feature. And of course, if you want to turn it off, as you can see here on a top, there is turn off Vanish mode, so you need to press on that, and now you can normally chat on Messenger. All right, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.